Spot it. How to play. The object of the game is to make matches and score points. Players find the matching symbols between two cards. A match must have the same shape and the same color. Only the size may be different. There are 5 different mini-games you can play. Version 5, Triplet. Place all the cards face down in a pile. The object is to collect the most cards. One player takes the first 9 cards and places them face up on the table. Then, at the same time, all the players try to find a matching symbol on any 3 cards. The same symbol must be present on all 3 cards to make a matching set. As soon as you find the matching symbol, call it out and take the 3 cards you've won and reload the 3 with new cards from the deck. When there are fewer than 9 cards left in the game and no more sets of matching cards, the game ends and the player with the most cards wins.